Hello. Sorry that you can't see my face, but I'm sure you'll see my face throughout this video and throughout this course. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a little bit about me, so that way you kind of get to see me and know me, knowing that this is an online course, so you won't get to, see my face as much. But just so you kind of feel a little bit more relatable to me. So first things first, my name is Patty Wishton, and this is a little bit about me. First, I have lived in a few different places. I grew up in Florida. I was there all the way through college. Once I graduated from college, I actually moved to Hawaii. Lived in Hawaii for 5 years. It was amazing. It was one of my favorite times in life. And met my future wife there, and it was just a wonderful time. We moved actually back to Florida for just a couple years and then realized it was way too hot there and we did not like it there. And so we moved to Colorado because that's where my wife's from, and so that's where we've been this rest of the time. This is my family. So on this left-hand side, we have my mom down here in the corner. This is my wife. This is me. And then my dad is back here in the back. These are both my sisters, my oldest sister and my second older sister. And then this is my nephew, Levi. And then over here is my brother-in-law, Jared. But we have an amazing family. Love everyone in there. Great times. They still live in Florida, so I miss them a lot, but go home and visit as much as I can. On the right-hand side, we have our wedding picture. So I am the bride on the left-hand side, and then the one on the right-hand side is my beautiful wife, Joy. We have been married for 3 years now. Well, September will be 3 years now. And this is our amazing wedding party. It was a wonderful wedding out in the woods. It was beautiful. These are my pets, kind of like my children. I have 2 of them, so the middle picture is just them hanging out on the grass. And then the dark one is Tonks. She is half Dachshund, half Chihuahua, so we call her the Chiweenie. She is an adorable, cute little feisty dog. Always has a bunch of energy. We love this picture of her because she kind of stands up like a meerkat, so we call that her meerkat stance. It's adorable. She always does that when she wants attention. Over here on the right-hand side is our second dog, Granger. She's also a Chihuahua mix. Not sure what else she's mixed with, but as you can see in the picture, she's our cuddler. She just likes to sleep and sleep and sleep, and most of the time it's on you. I don't know if you've noticed, but both of these names are from Harry Potter. Both me and my wife are obsessed with Harry Potter, and so we've named both of our dogs after a Harry Potter character. So Nymphadora Tonks and Hermione Granger. If we get a third one, we'll keep up with that tradition. A couple of my hobbies. I love playing sports, mainly basketball these days. Used to play a bunch of sports when I was in high school, but basketball is really the only thing that we still play on Saturday mornings. And then I love watching any sport pretty much except for baseball or golf, because those are just boring to watch. And then I love watching TV shows and movies. Honestly, I'm addicted to TV. It's probably one of my downfalls. Should be out getting more exercise and stuff, but obsessed with Survivor right now. Just started watching that while we were having some time off due to the coronavirus, but I'm loving it. Love watching as much TV shows and movies, so if you have any good ones, send them my way. I love hanging out with friends and having game nights. We love playing board games like Settlers of Catan or Ticket to Ride, anything like that. And then me and my wife love traveling. We love either one, going to see my family in Florida, or just going and seeing new places. We've been to Ireland, we've been to Iceland, Australia, New Zealand, try to travel as much as we can. But most importantly, I love my job. I love teaching. It is, a lot of people don't get into it for the money because it's, not the best paying job. We get into it because we really love kids. And I love being able to help students. I love being able to show, or not so much show, but remind students how smart and amazing they are. Because a lot of times we just get stuck with this mindset of things we can't do. We're not good at math. We're not good at this. And instead, we actually really are. So, I just want to let you guys know, who I am. Hopefully this helps a little bit to kind of make you a little bit more comfortable with me. Please reach out to me at any point in time this year. If you need anything, whether it's help in math or other things, please let me know. I look forward to teaching all of you guys this year.